Be ready. 5 seconds. Start.
The following is a speech delivered by the chairman in the third annual general meeting. Friends, it gives me pleasure to welcome you to this third annual general meeting of the company. The annual report and the statement of accounts for the year ended March 2011 have been in your hands, and I would take the opportunity to take them as read. During this year, your company has developed new product mix. The company's marketing system has been streamlined. The marketing division continued to make greater penetration in the domestic market to meet the increased demand of the products of your company. The company's products are well accepted in the market and carry premium over the similar products of other manufacturers due to strict quality control. Owing to the excellent results during the year, the company has paid interim dividend at the rate of 11%, and the proposal of final dividend of 7% is before you. This will aggregate the dividend to 18% for the year para. Good results are expected during the year due to various economic measures announced by Government of India favoring industrial growth in the country, and the various steps taken by the company in diversifying product mix and improving quality. In view of the above, the company expects not only to maintain the dividend declared last year, but efforts would also be made to accelerate the rate of dividend and the general growth of the company. Talking on the economy of the country as a whole, I am proud to say that there is new and vital economic environment. The pragmatic measures taken by the government under the dynamic leadership of our industries minister, the country has started moving towards good economic prosperity. Now I consider it my privilege to apprise you briefly about the gap between demand and supply of steel in the country. To make up the shortfall in the domestic requirement of steel, the government has had to impact steel, especially billets, for the consumption of re-rolling mills and structurals per capital. Steel consumption in India is likely to go up as the pace of industrial progress is stepped up in the 7th 5-year plan. The government has not envisaged an appropriate expansion for the public sector steel plants, but to improving the working of existing plants. In view of this, the mini steel plants are going to play an important role in bridging the gap between production and demand for steel, and your company proposes to erect new plants. I wish to express my deep thanks to all my colleagues on the board of company for their full cooperation and valuable guidance.